Hello. Today we are learning about the phrasal verb act upon. It means to take action based on something. For example, when you get advice and then do something because of it. You always say act upon plus an object. For example, act upon advice or act upon feelings. Remember, you cannot separate act and upon. You say, she acted upon the instructions, not she acted the instructions upon. Act upon is common in both formal and informal English. It is useful when you want to talk about making decisions or responding to something. For example, we must act upon the feedback. It means you will do something because of the feedback. Similar phrases are act on and respond to, but act upon focuses on taking action. You can use it with advice, information, feelings, and instructions. Here's an example sentence. He acted upon the information quickly. Try to use act upon in your conversations and writing. It will help you sound clearer and more natural. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time.